Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom&Baby, your go-to place for healthy and homemade baby food recipes. If you're a mom or dad looking for a natural, nutritious, and delicious recipe to help your baby gain healthy weight, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful weight gain recipe made with nuts, dry fruits, and semolina, perfect for growing babies. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share the scientific benefits of each ingredient and for which age group it's best. Let's start with the ingredients. We'll need 3 cashews, 3 almonds, 3 pistachios, 4 raisins, and 3 dates. Place all of them in a bowl and pour some hot boiling water over them. Cover it with a lid and let it soak for about 20 minutes. This helps soften the nuts and make them easy to digest for your little one. After 20 minutes, remove the seeds from the dates and peel the almonds. Raisins and dates are natural sweeteners rich in iron and energy, great for boosting stamina and preventing anemia in babies. Now transfer everything into a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Cashews, almonds, and pistachios are packed with healthy fats, proteins, and essential vitamins, amazing for brain development and healthy weight gain. In a small pan, add 2 tablespoons of semolina, also known as Suji or Rava, and dry roast it on low flame until it turns golden and aromatic. Then add 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee and stir well. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Semolina provides slow-releasing energy and helps babies feel full longer. Milk adds calcium and protein, essential for bone and muscle growth. Ghee or butter gives healthy fats needed for brain development. Now, add the blended nut and date paste into the cooked semolina mixture. Mix everything well until it's smooth and creamy. Serve warm, and your baby's nutrient-packed weight gain meal is ready. According to pediatric nutrition guidelines, this recipe is ideal for babies above 10 months old, once they're comfortable with individual nuts and milk in their diet. Always introduce each ingredient separately first, and consult your pediatrician if your baby has any allergy concerns. This meal supports healthy weight gain, strong bones and muscles, brain and nervous system development, natural energy and immunity boost. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mom&Baby for more healthy baby food ideas. Check out our baby food and weight gain recipes playlist linked below.